Hey folks, today is September the 20th. It's currently 8:24 in the afternoon. I'm currently on my VPS, so that's why the time, as you guys can see, is a little bit off. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and do our Arbitron weekly update review. I have tried to do this video a couple times now, but for some reason after I get done, the recording ends up corrupted and it won't save for some reason. So hopefully things will go smoothly this time. As you can see here on our VPS, we don't have our red boxes. We have the two green boxes, which mean that everything is set up properly. Give me one moment, folks. All right, sorry about that. Phone's ringing. All right, as you guys recall from my previous video, we did go ahead and start on Tuesday of this week with a $3,000 sim account. And this is with a recommended broker and also with a recommended VPS. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what happened this week. Obviously, you guys can see here we're currently up $394.22 from 4 days of trading. So definitely pleased with that. As you can see, 9/17/2019, and that was Tuesday. So like I said, only 4 days of trading. With the VPS, as I mentioned in the previous video, definitely improved connection speeds. Previously, I was at 94.62. And I'm currently at 15.74. And I've talked to other people that are trying right now, and they've told me that they're over 100 right here. So I definitely believe that using the VPS is going to be the best bet to get that down to improve your speeds. And that's also what the vendor recommends as well. So definitely worth looking into. Another benefit to the VPS is that my power went out this week. And typically when that happens, you know, I'm kind of sweating bullets because I'm not sure if I'm in trades, and I'm also, you know, thinking that I'm missing trades that I could be taking, but that didn't happen. You know, this is not being run on my server. Everything is on the VPS. So after I got power back, I simply logged back in and everything was fine. So that's definitely a big plus. Another thing I wanted to mention, for everybody that's already purchased and is looking to purchase, make sure you send in a quick support ticket and ask for the most recent list of brokers, because they are continuing to test different brokers to see where Arbitron is working the best and profitably. So make sure you guys send in that support ticket to get that information. I also mentioned in the previous video that I wasn't going to be able to do MyFX book, but I did find something else that I believe is going to work better. If you've been to the website, you've probably already seen this, but let me pull this up real quick for you guys. Let me go ahead and shut this down. Remote desktop connection. Your remote session will be disconnected. Programs on the remote computer. Okay, that's fine. Let's go ahead and shut that down. All right, let's go to Arbitron EA. All right, if you guys scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice FX Blue, and you'll be able to track exactly what the expert advisor Arbitron is doing on a weekly basis. This way you don't have to wait until Friday's weekly update review to know what's going on. All right, so as you guys can see here, total return at this point, we're up 13.1%. And this is the balance right now. That's the closed profit, obviously. So lots of things you guys can check on. And let's come here. You want to see the trades that we're taking, just go to orders and then click on closed orders. And that'll pull up everything or all the trades that the Arbitron expert advisor has actually taken. And I actually kind of like this better than MyFX book. You know, I think it gives a lot of information, and it's all right here on the page, so you guys don't have to click away and go anywhere else to find it. All right, I think that's everything I wanted to touch on here. Let me double check my notes. Okay, looks like that's everything. Fingers crossed this video actually gets uploaded here. We'll see what happens. As always, if you guys have any questions on Arbitron, send them my way, and I'll try to find the answers for you. Also, if you want to get more information on Arbitron, make sure you click the link below the video, or if you're on the website, just click on one of the links that are on the review page, excuse me, or one of the links that are on the weekly review page. As always, you know, I do definitely appreciate the fact that you guys choose to use my links. That's definitely appreciated, and I'm glad you guys are supporting the EmpireAmbition.com website. All right, folks, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you for our second weekly update review which is going to be the 27th. And I knew I was forgetting something. I had somebody ask me if I could send them my settings, and I did go ahead and do a screenshot like I typically do. I have changed a few things just after talking to the vendor. I made a few changes to the settings, so if you guys want that after you place an order, for anybody that uses my link, obviously, I'll give you guys the settings that I'm using to get the results that I'm getting. All right, and as always, I'll be there if you guys have support questions as well. Hopefully, I can help out in those areas. All right, folks, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.